scriptures. Reflect on what you learned here. Mandirs open 6 days a week. We teach Shiva Mahapuran. We teach the Sundarkand. We teach the Bhagavad Gita every Wednesday. We teach free yoga. We teach youth empowerment on Saturday. And we have our Sunday service 6 days a week. And I'll invite you to bring your kids every Saturday, especially this Saturday again, every week, the Youth Empowerment Seminar, where we teach kids. We don't believe in too much of the afterlife. The afterlife is good, but we only know what happens now. When you do good work, and you teach kids, and you reach out, and you help people, you are serving the Lord in different forms, my dear brothers and sisters. And when you're not afraid of the Lord, when you know that your Lord is your best well-wisher, that is when the children of today will be fearless. So let's sing this final song in conclusion. Google, please. It is आए भी अकेला जाए भी अकेला दो दिन की जिंदगी है दो दिन का मेला. The beautiful poet is saying, my dear brothers and sisters, that we've come alone and we're going to go alone. And this fair, this mela, is only available for just 2 days. This life is so short. Therefore, what should you do? हरि की शरण तू हो जा ध्यान लगा ले जीवन मिले ना फिर ये जीवन को पाले खेल जगत का सारा उसने है खेला दो दिन की जिंदगी है दो दिन का मेला. Report to the shelter of God. Be fearless of God and your ancestors. They're your biggest well-wishers. When you have a clean, beautiful mind, every day, every sight is Bhagavan. This body may not be obtained again. The world, this fair, is a game. And your wonderful soul is the captain of this boat. Shri Krishna captains the boat from within your soul. Let us sing together. Jai bhi andhera, do din ki zindagi hai, do din andhera. Oh, जिन